Hello everyone! Hope you guys are having a blessed and amazing day. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng crispy chicken feet na pwedeng kainin pati ang buto. Well, to be honest with you guys, I'm actually planning to debone it. Unfortunately, nung nakita ko yung video sa YouTube, sabi ko, grabe, napakahirap pala, and I end up cooking it using a pressure cooker. Yung chicken feet na nabili ko sa palengke, actually, tanggal na yung skin yan, tapos putol na yung mga kuko at napakuluan na siya. So, hindi naman siya ganun kahirap ugasan. So, basically, binanlawan ko lang siya, nilamas ng asin, and that's it. Since malinis na siya, at wala nang dumi, wala nang amoy, pwede na nating simulan lutuin. So, ipa-pressure cook na natin siya for 1 to 2 hours. Since yung chicken feet na nabili ko, nalinisan na siya, napakuluan na ng konti kasi para matanggal yung skin. So, hindi ko na masyadong pinatagal yung pagpapa-pressure cook sa kanya. So, it took me like 1.5 hours and that's it. By the way, I just want to show you guys kung paano yung proper ng pag-open ng pressure cooker. Now, because I saw a video sa YouTube where inasabugan sila ng pressure cooker pagbukas nila kasi hindi nila muna pinasingaw. So, for those na first time gagamit, of course, laging there's always a first time. We want to make sure na safe tayo. So, make sure na pasingawin muna natin siya, just like so. Nakikita natin sa video. And once nawala na yung singaw or usok, that's the only time you can actually open the pressure cooker na at definitely safe na yon. For the coating, sinimplihan lang natin, no? So, salt and pepper, crispy fry, Maggi Magic Sarap, and yung ating secret ingredient, which is yung curry powder. Hindi na pala siya secret kasi sinabi ko na, char! Pag na-mix na natin lahat ng dry ingredients natin, pwede na natin i-coat yung chicken feet. Bago natin i-drop yung chicken feet, make sure na mainit yung mantika para hindi sila magdikit-dikit. And since luto naman to 1 to 2 minutes, okay na. Or until golden brown, bago mo siya iahon or ihango dun sa kawali. Did you guys know that chicken feet contains many vitamins and minerals like calcium, folate, collagen, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, other minerals like magnesium, zinc, copper, iron, and sodium, at kung ano-ano pa. Ang galing, di ba? Pag golden brown na siya, pwede na natin siyang iahon and ilagay dyan sa patuluan. Ewan ko anong tawag dyan, nakalimutan ko. So, ready to eat na siya. And I promise you guys, napakalambot ng laman yan at pati yung buto pwede mo kainin. Now, if you like my video, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga latest videos ko. Thank you again, guys, and have a great day! Bye!